Exploring the great outdoors is an exhilarating experience. But what if I told you there's a way to make it even more amazing? Whether you're a birdwatcher, a hiker, or just someone who loves stargazing, the right gear can completely transform your adventure. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the best monocular telescope I've ever bought, the Starscope Monocular Telescope. This little device might look unassuming, but don't be fooled by its size. The Starscope Monocular Telescope is designed to bring distant objects into sharp focus, revealing stunning clarity and detail that you wouldn't expect from a device this compact. Imagine being on a mountain trail, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Suddenly, you spot a rare bird perched far away. With a high-quality monocular like the Starscope, you can observe its every feather and movement up close without disturbing it. It's moments like these that make your outdoor adventures truly unforgettable. Now, let's talk about what makes this monocular so special. The Starscope offers 10x magnification and a 42mm objective lens, delivering crystal-clear views. Whether you're observing wildlife or gazing at the stars, the Starscope's optics are designed to impress. Here's a quick rundown of its key specs: magnification, 10x. Objective lens diameter, 42mm, prism, type, BAK4. Lens coating, multi-coated. Focus type, center focus. Tripod mount, fixed. Suitable for travel, hunting, birdwatching. The Starscope comes with some handy accessories: a mini tripod for stable viewing, a nylon carrying pouch for protection, a cleaning cloth to keep your lens spotless, and a wrist strap for added security. It's all designed to make your outdoor experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Like any product, the Starscope has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it has good optics, is functional and enjoyable to use, and offers decent quality for the price. However, there are some downsides: misleading advertising, potential moisture issues in the optics, and inconsistent quality control. These are things to keep in mind when considering your purchase. How does the Starscope compare to other models? In my experience, it holds its own against more expensive options. While it might not be perfect, it offers a great balance of features and affordability, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts. So, is the Starscope Monocular Telescope worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're planning your next hiking trip, a birdwatching session, or just want to enjoy the night sky, this monocular telescope will enhance your experience. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor adventures, the Starscope might just be the perfect companion. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gear reviews, and check the description below for more details on the Starscope Monocular Telescope. Thanks for watching.